See, my hand's starting to get sweaty now, and this is not... Oh, geez, where did that go? What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and it's time for episode 5 of the Learn With Me series. As you probably know by now, I love learning new cardistry moves and showing you guys how I learn. I did really make 4 other episodes of Learn With Me, so it kind of makes sense. Now, for the longest time, I wanted to learn ATM by Oliver Sogard, and I just never took out the time to learn it. And there's no better time like the present. So, let's do it. All right, so grab your favorite deck, and let's get started. See, that looks incredible. It looks awesome. Look at that.
Okay, so ATM is a very fun and simple combo slash aerial move. It's basically a single card shot done from this grip, the corner grip, and I created it in 2014. I think because it wasn't until Nikolai and Tobias brought it to my attention that I really realized the potential of the concept and of ATM.
I actually did not realize this was a single card shot. I thought he was actually shooting multiple cards.
Exploring all of the different things like the 2-card version and how to receive it in the other hand and stuff like that.
There's a 2-card version.
And it was then featured on a Cardistry Con project in 2015. But now let's take an in-depth look at ATM and its possibilities. To do ATM, it's a good idea to be comfortable with the corner grip. It's this one where you're basically just holding a packet between the middle finger and the thumb and rotating it using the index finger.
I'm so... Oh, that was not perfect, but I'm pretty comfortable with the corner grip.
Packet from up here, so you're grabbing the corner that is next to the thumb.
Okay.
And depending on whether you're going to do
here we go.
Just a single shot or a continuous ATM, you should get around 1/5 of the packet of the deck. But obviously a bit more if you're doing it continuously.
That should be good.
So yeah, you get that packet and you get into the position just by rotating the corner grip packet like so. And then the index finger is going to be curled underneath. And it's very important that it is touching this packet.
You know, let me pause this real quick. I did not realize that he is holding the deck in his right hand and not his left hand. So, I'm going to need to figure out how to translate this over from right to left. So that's something that's going to be coming forward. Let's see. Okay, there we go.
Off the packet. So imagine there was a diagonal line through the packet. The index finger should be somewhere on this side.
Okay.
So as you can see, the index finger is here. Doesn't really matter where on this side it is, as long as it is over here. Okay. And then the ring finger is creating the counter pressure. So the ring finger is positioned right here on the middle of the packet of this long side. Okay. And the middle finger then strips off a single card from the middle finger. That's very important that you don't strip
There's
it
no
off
way.
the thumb. Or else
There's no way I'm going to be able to do this.
So you strip off a single from the middle finger like so, and you're still maintaining the grip. The pressure.
All right, let's take a quick breather right here. All right, so we got this corner grip here. If you're following along, I currently have a corner grip in my right hand. You should know that. All right, here we go. So we take our index finger, we push. I think it's on the opposite side of the thumb. Yeah, we're pushing on the opposite side of the thumb. So we have the deck. So we're putting our index finger in this area, right this. So this is like this, putting it on the opposite side here. Now we're going to take our index finger and separate this card out at the middle finger. So here we go. How is, okay, watch. How did he do this? Am I holding it too tight? Oh, there we go. Now this is definitely going to require a good amount of practice. Oh, jeez. Wow, now I remember why I didn't learn this. I got to this part and I'm like, nope, that's not happening. Come on. Okay, here we go. So we're here. Am I not doing this correctly? What's going on? My finger too sweaty? All right, so we're here. How do you... okay, we're fine. We're okay? Okay, there we go. Now, how close is his finger? God, my God. Okay, here we go. Boom, there we go. That was record time. Let's do that again. Boom, pick it up. And index finger there. Oh. That's not right. But we're getting somewhere. We're definitely making some kind of progress. Here we go. And there we go. Look at that split. Look at that split. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Pro. Oh, again. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, there we go. All right. Mastered it. Check it out. Check it out. You ready for this? Here we go. We start off. We get that corner grip. Bam. And did I get the wrong corner? So, bam. I get that corner grip here. And okay, let's try that again. And bam, I get that corner grip here. And boom, look at that split. Beautiful, I think. I'm not sure. We have to see where we go from here. But beautiful kind of a little bit.
Point here with the index finger. And then your thumb is going to just move a tiny bit in this direction.
Okay.
And then the single card is going to rotate. And it's rotating using this long edge here. And it's going to then rotate a full 360 degrees. So once again, you get the corner grip.
Okay.
Like so. Maybe a bit more. You rotate it out so it's in this position. And as I said before, the position of the index finger is very important. You really need to make sure that the index finger is on this half. And I suggest right around here.
Okay, so let's take a look at this again, right? So we got the deck, we're here. We don't get the corner grip on the top that's away from our thumb. We want to get to the corner that's near our thumb. So we're there. We pick up a good 1/5, 1/6 of the deck. Spin this around. Get our index finger around here on the opposite side of the thumb. So around here. Boom. And then we split that. Somehow split. Oh my God. Come on. Split that right there. And then we have to go away from the thumb. I think the thumb moves this way. Thumb moves this way. And then we let that card do a full 3. Oh, not bad. It was like a 180, but not bad. Let's do that again. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. And here we go. Here we are. Yep. Come on.
That'll give the packet and the single card a bit more spin. And if
I feel like I'm missing
to
something.
Position your index finger up here on this half, nothing would happen. The packet would just get clipped like so, and you don't want that.
Yeah.
So
I agree.
As I said, make sure the index finger is down here, pretty close to the ring finger, basically just on the opposite side of the packet. And you also want to make sure that your hands are a little bit moist. That'll make it easier.
Oh my God. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? Okay, check that out. Check that out. Bam. Just boom. Right? Pretty okay. All right, let's get back to the video. I just got really excited when that happened. Okay, back to the video. Here we are.
Rip off that single card. And yeah, make sure that it goes off the middle finger first. And then the shot itself is going to happen because of the movements of the thumb and the index finger. So they're both going to do...
Oh, gee, what happened there?
Yeah, the thumb is going to do the tiny movement in this direction. So it's going to move away. And at the same time,
I think I'm missing...
the index finger is going to put a little extra pressure on the packet here.
I kind of like how this tutorial is. I think he's doing a really good job covering this. So I think what I'm messing up here, right? I come over here like this, and I don't know if you're following along where you are with this, but when you're coming here, you put that pressure on here, And then when I get this card out eventually after like 10 years. Oh, wrong side. Here we go again. Come on. All right. Once we get that card out, I think my main concern right now is that I'm not moving my thumb in that direction, because I'm sure if I just do that, oh, that didn't work out. Maybe I'm sure if I just do that, it works. See, it's starting to get there. It's starting to get there. And of course, having your fingers a little bit moist does help, like he said. Mine are a bit too much. I don't know why I'm sweating this much. Maybe it's too hot. Maybe it's too hot in this house. Let's just get back to the video.
And that'll make sure that the single card.
Yeah, he makes it seem so effortless.
In a controlled manner. So as you can see, I move my thumb away just a little bit.
And you want to apply that extra pressure with your index fingers, is what I'm getting. So, a couple key things that I learned. One, corner grip is not on the side of, it's on the side of your thumb. That's where it is. You grab that up, pick about a fifth. Maybe I'm thinking like a sixth, maybe. All right, you spin that around. Make sure you're applying pressure down here. We come over here, split using our using our ring finger, split from our middle finger. Come on. My index finger for some reason just wants to go back. Okay, we can, come on, buddy, there we go. We cause that split. And from here, what I actually realized also was that he's keeping his ring finger and pinky finger together. It's not like here, like how I was doing, but he's keeping them together up here. And now he's peeling this off, moving the thumb in the other direction, and just ripping this out. And see, I'm getting there. I think the only thing left to do is to do some practicing. So let's get into some actual practicing. Just warming my hands up a little bit. All right, here we go. The practicing begins now. All right, here we are. We're showing off to our friends that we can do this, and nope, that's not right. Once again, we're at the club, showing off to our friends that we can do this. Come on. At the club, turning up. And that didn't work either. I could shoot multiple cards. I don't know why I'm just shooting just one and then changing it out. Okay, here we go. See, my hand's starting to get sweaty now, and this is not... Oh, geez, where did that go? All right, here we go again. Boom, boom, showing off. Look at that. Come on. Okay, I think one thing I did get from this, I tried picking up different chunks of cards one at a time, or not one at a time. Just different chunks of cards, and I've seen less cards is more difficult. So try to use more cards. It's so much easier to get that one card off the top when you're grabbing a bit more cards. So I think 1/5 of the deck is what you should do. I was just being, I just thought I knew it all, so I took like a 1/6 of the deck. All right, here we go. And that's too many cards. Okay. Oh! Oh no! Actually, this is not bad. I can actually work on this like all day. Like, I don't mind sitting around watching movies and just practicing this move. This is actually a lot of fun. Step up to the ATM machine. Put your code in. Try to get the cash out. Cash is not cooperating. Sometimes it does, but mostly it doesn't. So one of the problems I'm seeing is that deck is slipping away from my thumb after I do like one or two. And that is an issue that I do not want to deal with. So maybe I'm going to try and make my grip a little tighter. Oh, come on. We're getting there. It's definitely progress being made. My fingers are starting to hurt. My thumb, ring finger, they are not happy campers. Ugh. Whew. I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm ready to call it a day. As soon as I try one more time. Here we go. Boom. Boom. Okay, it's close. I'm getting there though. Honestly, I think within a month or within a couple weeks of practicing, I will master this move, no doubt about it. And of course, as soon as I'm done learning this move, I'm going to add some cooler moves like he did in his video. Maybe, I don't really know what I'm going to add yet, but I don't know, maybe like a revolution cut. So I can open, oh, what happened? Like I was saying, I'll add some cool, what's going on? I can't. But like I was saying, I'll add some cool moves in there, like a triple cut, a revolution cut, or something. Of course, my fingers aren't functioning currently. But as soon as I get all that up, it'll be on my Instagram page. So go make sure and check that out once it's on there. And of course, if you want to spend more time learning with me, make sure to go check out that video right there because that's a great place to start. I'll see you there.